Hello. Today I got a bunch of stuff from various places in stores and online to work on the Mech. And I figured I'd just share it with you. First off, we got a nice battery box, good for storing a car battery. That way the battery in Marduk can stay nice and dry and properly stored. And inside, we'll start off first with a new linear actuator, a 12-foot one, which I'm going to be replacing Marduk's torso rotation linear actuator with. Hopefully it will allow for more torso rotation, and since it comes with brackets, hopefully it will not have as much wiggle or give. Next I've got a battery tester / monitor, which I can use to monitor Marduk's battery while in operation. Just by, hooking it up, red to positive, black to negative, all that sort of good stuff. I've also got a new webcam. We'll get a little closer so you can take a look at it. It is a USB webcam, and it's got a lot of cable. That way, instead of using a Wi-Fi webcam in my phone's data plan to look out of Marduk, I can just use a average laptop and this thing hooked up to it. So it should be a lot easier. And finally, I have something I'm really excited about. These are some gearboxes that go on power wheels. Those little cars you see kids driving around in. And I figure I might be able to propel a mech using a pair of these power wheels. I'd have to do some testing to see how fast they go and exactly how I can get a normal wheel on here. Either by making something out of a 3D print, or maybe using some of this like a nice thick chunks of sheet metal to make some sort of housing to go around it and so forth. So, these are the goodies that I have gotten to do some more mech work. Probably going to be making some videos about installing them and whatnot, so you have something to look forward to next time. So, be sure to like and subscribe for more mech stuff. Bye.